Ghost configurations is a mechanism to allow you to maintain different ghost versions for the same objects. So to enable ghost configuration, you have to show the advanced feature in the main dialog box of Fredo Ghost Studio. So this is mainly this line where you can create and select configurations. In this model at the moment, I have this configuration for Ghost. So let's convert everything to Ghost. I have these 3 chairs converted to Ghost. Let's convert this table to pink. So now I have the 3 chairs plus the table converted to Ghost. And this is in configuration 0, which is a default configuration. You can use this line basically to create a new configuration, delete an existing configuration, create a new configuration by a copy of the current one, and rename the configuration. So let's create a new configuration. I give it a name, new config. Now, in the model, I'm in the new configuration. Nothing exists in Ghost or Real. So it means that I start, let's say, from a kind of virgin model related to Ghost. So let's take this table and convert it to green. Now, in this configuration, the table is converted to green. If I switch back to the previous configuration, config 0, okay, then you see that I have kept the memory of the Ghost configuration for the table and the 3 chairs. If I move to the new configuration, okay, I have only the table with the green ghosting. You can, of course, remove a configuration. If you do it, then you basically remove this, and now you are back to the previous configuration. So you can, of course, disable this by undo. Undo and redo are also valid for configuration. So if I create now a new configuration from this one, so let's call it very new configuration. So I am now inheriting from the green table. If I convert the chair to pink, you see that I am in this autonomous configuration. If I go back to new config, only the table is ghosted. If I go back to config 0, the 3 chairs and the table are ghosted. So this is useful when by chance you want to maintain different ghosting for the same objects. As we will see in another video, this can be used in relation with scenes and the scene capture feature.